before start developing the games, we have to define the game mechanics. So what are game mechanics? So in a game, you are going to define certain things like what is the goal of the game, what is the objective of the game, right? So why would if someone play your game? What is the goal, objective, right? How would the user score? So what is the reward playing the game? So in few games, the developers provide coins, right? Some provides score, right? So some have provide levels. You just need to clear levels, right? So likewise, what are the objectives of your game, and how would the user achieve them? Like how would, what are the controls of the game? Controls, right? So these are few things you'll have to define. Let me rewrite. Right, let's say you're going to build a car game, like car race game, right? Let's say this is a car and this is the road, okay, and they'll have to reach a destination, right? So now how would the user score? So in few games, when you keep progressing, right, so when you keep progressing, they will add score, right? So you'll keep getting the score, or maybe you'll get some obstacles, right? So maybe some pits, or right, some obstacles, right? So if you cross these obstacles, so you'll get some score. So this is what you're going to get, correct? In few games, not just obstacles, or maybe there will be a race between players, right? So right, maybe this is car 1, this is car 2, right? So who reaches first, right? Who reaches first? So this could be an objective. So likewise, there would be some objectives in every game, so we have to decide what are the things, what are the objectives, what is the goal of playing the game, right? So now control. So how would the user control, right? So in some games, you just need to place your finger, right? So place your finger and you'll have to scroll left and right, and the car would be moving in that direction, right? So it would be automatically moving forward, and it would be moving left and right based on your control. Okay, in few games it could be different. So it could be like Temple Raider. You keep going and you'll just tap to jump. And in few games there will be some timer based. In 60 seconds, what is the distance covered, right? Like short goals, maybe you'll have to cover 100 meters or 2 kilometers, right? So all these things you'll have to define even before you start developing the game. Alright, let's move to the next topic.